Congratulations on your Hisense portable air conditioner. This video is going to show you how to install your unit. Before the install, please get familiar with the parts. The window installation kit allows you to install the air conditioner in most vertical sliding windows 18 inches to 50 inches wide, or horizontal sliding windows from 18 inches to 50 inches high. Measure and seal the adhesive foam into the four sides of the window frames. Place the sliders inside the window frame and make sure that the side with the drilled holes is on the top. Extend the sliders to the maximum length of the window. Insert the rivet into the overlapped holes. Then remove the connected sliders from the window frame. Extend one end of the hose. Align the coupling thread with the hose thread and turn counterclockwise until securely locked into place. Attach the window exhaust adapter to the hose in the same way. Align the window exhaust adapter to the large hole in the slider kit. Press down and make sure the four clips are locked properly. It is optional to use these two screws to add more security. Insert the coupling into the slot on the back of the air conditioner. Slide to the right to lock the hose into place. Insert the vent kit into the window opening and close the window to seal it. Add the window lock bracket if necessary. Plug the power cord into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Press the reset button on the plug and make sure a green light is on. Now power on the unit and enjoy your cooling time.